To convert multiple pictures to other formats on your Mac, first navigate to the File menu from your desktop and select New Folder. A folder will appear on your desktop and you can then name it whatever you like. For this example, I'm converting my HEIC iPhone pictures to JPEGs, so I named my new folder to reflect the change. Next, select the pictures you would like to convert by holding Command and selecting them individually, or press Command-A once to select them all. Then, Control-click or right-click on one of them and select Open with Preview. Preview will open all of the pictures in one window and display them as thumbnails in a scrolling list to keep everything organized. Press Command-A again to select all of the pictures, and then from the File menu, click on Export Selected Images. In the new window, set the destination as your newly created folder. If you skipped the folder creation at the beginning, you could also create one now by clicking on New Folder at the bottom of the window. Once you've selected your destination, click on Options and then select your desired format from the drop-down that appears. Set the quality to your liking and then click Choose in the bottom right of the window. Preview will then export your photos in your selected format to your new folder. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks.